Today, guys, I'm gonna do this cookies and put it in the cookies.
For what? It's for what?
Birthday. Look inside.
Go. Prepare.
Look inside this. Let them see inside the cups. Let them see inside the cups. See, there's cookies.
We're preparing for his.
Birthday party. Ready more.
You bite na yung breakfast. Okay. Eat breakfast.
I want to make.
Go.
I caught it.
Here. One more.
No more. Two more left.
Put more thing. Only two more left?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, no. There's one more.
Oh!
One more.
Yeah.
And then the next one is the
Bubble gum.
lollipops.
I want one. I never taste that.
Yeah, okay, I'll give you. Put one lollies each.
I want get a green one.
Oh, you want green or blue? There's no blue.
Oh, blue.
There's no blue.
Oh, I see blue.
Okay.
There's blue.
It's not blue. It's just the tip that's blue. Oh, dali, you put one lolly each.
Okay, what lolly? Papagato.
Show your face.
Puling. Wait.
Properly, you put it all at the same position. Oh. Go.
I can't do that.
Here.
It looks like a cabbage.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot.
You put all. More. Nice giveaways, Gagel. Oh, put it properly, di ba? Same position. All. More. You bite muna your bread.
I want to finish this. Where? Is there anything in this one?
Nothing yet. Go. Oh, here, last one. And then the ano, we will keep the excess one. We will check which one is missing. Oh, this one.
What's the excess?
Like extra. Put one each box. Put one each. Dali.
How are you do this?
This one first. I open this na.
Wow, this is my favorite ever.
Go. Put it. Sige na, dali. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Lagi lang. Sige na.
Wait. Oh, I got a lot.
Good. One each. Only one each. Fix it so that you can close it later.
I'm really gonna hit some.
I think the kids are gonna be so happy with all the candies that you're putting into your giveaways, right?
But we need. They won't be happy
Why?
because there's no toys.
Toys? It's okay. Di ba we have cotton candy?
Oh yeah, Kote Katin. I want Kote Katin.
And we have also the...
Chicken.
Here na. Put it properly on the side. More.
Superman. I shoot it.
I think the kids are gonna be so happy with all your giveaways.
Okay, giveaway.
Oh, that it has something na.
What?
It has a box na. You check before you put.
Now I wanna put.
Oh, you check muna before you put there. This one was You check muna if you have to organize it like that. Check which one doesn't have baon.
Pig, pig, pig.
Pink,
Pig,
pink.
pig, pig.
Wait, let me na check. Oh, this one doesn't have pa, anak. There's one more that doesn't have pa. How many pieces? 20. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, no.
I got one.
8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, it has extras. It says 20 pieces, but there's a lot.
Bye,
Wait,
bye.
wait,
I'll put it on.
Wait, maybe there's one we missed. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, there's one extra. Really? It says 21 pieces, but it's 21 pieces. So,
Pieces.
oh, pieces. Up.
Can you do the other one?
No, you do it all, anak. But you have to do like this. You have to be organized so that you make sure everyone has something. Oh, put one here first. Oh, put here first.
I never tried.
Oh, dali. One. And I'll hold it.
It's too small, it can fit.
Okay. Oh,
It's
get one.
too small, it can fit.
Here. 2. Oh,
It's too small.
3. 4. 5. Dali. Here.
Oh,
6.
wait, no.
7, 8.
I said you did 7, 8.
Here. 9, 10. Wait, there's a here.
There's the hair. Thank you, babe.
Here, 11, 12, 13. Oh, it's oh.
It's the other one.
It's okay.
No, give me.
Here.
Where?
Here. 16. Okay.
Empty.
Empty. There's another pieces.
And then keep that.
2 more here. 17, 18.
I don't. I like this.
Okay. So, wait. Put it here.
See? We have. Yes! I did it!
Hirap mo naman magawa ng giveaway. Here.
Kick Nana! Let's kick her!
17.
18.
Okay, this is extra. Okay.
Extra.
And then we will put 3.
Twist! I said two.
Put.
Oh,
Put 1 each.
each twist the monkey sound.
Go, put.
3.
1.
What should they drink?
2.
Which is they drink?
It's
This
okay.
is my cup.
It's okay. They can use 3. 4.
4. Oh, 5.
5. 6. 7. Okay. Finish. Then this one.
How many pieces? How many pieces?
Also 7. So the others we will put a different one. Go. 1. Put here. 1.
So I think there's a lot.
3.
So I think there's a lot.
4. 5. 6. 7. Oh, there's missing. We will put this one. Okay? Go. Here.
I always finish the girl.
Kanina. Yeah, you almost finish it.
How to put this wood?
You put that one because it's missing. Something's missing here. Oh, delete. Instead of the twigs, you can put that one. No, here. It has twigs. And then, what can we change for the twigs? Instead of the twigs, I think we can put the Haribo.
And then we will put the baby rod.
Baby what?
Baby this.
Read it.
Baby what?
Yeah, baby root.
After we're done, that then we're going to do this.
Yeah, put some baby root each. Go.
What?
Put baby root from here. Start from here because this one doesn't have twigs. So 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There's only 7 left to twist.
7. The other one. Go. Here. 1, 2. Here.
Only do here.
Oh.
Here.
Oh. Okay, so this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing.
Let's do.
No, we can put this
Yay! Yay!
instead of the.
Haribo.
Put Haribo. 1.
That's mine. That's my Haribo.
Eh, nangungupit pa eh.
I don't like you!
2.
It can't fit for me. No! No! Don't do it!
Last one here.
Oh, there's more.
Let me fix. Wait, because this is because they don't have the baby root, so we are replacing it with Haribo.
Haribo.
Okay. Put back the Haribo na. And then what are we gonna put next? This one, Reese.
Reese's Pieces.
Reese's Pieces, yeah. Put again.
Oh my god!
Dali.
It
Put.
looks like a cupcake. Cupcake again.
Sige na.
Let me smell.
Mm.
Ooh! Smell.
Smells so good.
No, it smells. I also put it.
Sige na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You have a lot of giveaways.
No,
Let's go this.
There's more.
Yeah, I know.
There's more Reese's Pieces.
I know, babe.
And we forgot the burgers.
It's okay, we already put the burgers there now. Oh, dali. Here. This one. You miss it.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, 3. How many missing? 3?
Yeah, 3.
Oh, wow. We will replace it with
Haribo.
Haribo. Yeah. 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, that's it. And then we will now put the cover.
Give me the cover. I will get the cover.
Here, the cover is. Where's the straw?
Why are you cover the straw? Oh! Bad.
Get it.
Wait, don't do it.
I won't. and then the straw as well. You can put the straw.
Where's all the covers?
It's all there.
There!
Oh, yeah. I'll put it like this, then you ano.
No, I want. It's so. Okay.
Then you put it like that. Oh, shoot it.
Wait.
Need help?
No. I want to close it.
That's it. This is Gagel's giveaway. So nice, right?
Hey.
See, it looks so good.
Hey.
This is gonna be Gagel's giveaway for his birthday party. Go more.
Hey.
Close it.
No. Yeah.
Ay, you put muna the straw.
But I want to. When you're closing it, it says the rules. Close it first. There. Go put it.
Because you cannot see now what's inside. There. Gagel's giveaways for his birthday.
Eagle. Clap, clap for the eagle.
Mama.
Look at her. You see the color? It's your favorite color, black. That's you. Happy. Your favorite color is black.
Sige na.
Black eyed.
Go.
Let's cover for my birthday.
It's Gagel's first birthday in
Saturday.
USA.
Yay! I don't punch.
Don't do that.
And look what I have, everyone.
The straw, the straw.
Wait. Look what I have, everyone.
Put the straw.
Okay, put this down. Ooh. It's too long.
Because you cannot see what's inside. That's what I'm telling you. You should put this one muna so you can insert the straw inside. Oh, this, you can see the space. Oh. There, see?
My birthday cups.
Ay, don't drink. You're gonna give it to someone. Don't drink. Hindi will put saliva na. Wait. I'll give you the cover with the straw in it. Oh, this one.
No. Which way?
You look where you can put it. Look for a space.
Wait.
Wait. On the sides. See? There. There's a space on the side. Oh, there.
Eek-look. My birthday.
For
Wait,
Gagel.
I'm showing my birthday cup.
Next. Gagel. Where are the covers?
I got it. Here's the thing.
Here.
Here's the cover. These are mine. Here's the cover.
Give me cover. Now close it. Dali na. Come on.
I'm doing it.
I'll be the one to close it na.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that I can find some space for the straw. Are you excited for your birthday?
I'm excited to punch namin.